In the world of reality TV, a splash of authenticity can be a refreshing change. Imagine entering a lighthearted yet captivating episode of Surreal Life, Villa of Secrets, where much more than meets the eye. The cameras captured a candid moment when none other than the soulful Macy Gray shook up the monotony with a surprising confession that left viewers both intrigued and entertained. During a breathwork session in the lush Colombian mountains, the audience was led to believe they would witness vulnerability and introspection. But Macy, an unlikely star, chose a path that veered off the traditional path, openly admitting her use of cocaine and alcohol as a coping mechanism for her well-being. Her candidness didn't go unnoticed. Fans and detractors alike were left reeling. As she shared her unfiltered thoughts, her reply to a curious producer, "Cocaine and a couple of shots, that's my way of healing," became a headline moments later. The internet erupted with reactions that ranged from fascinated admiration, "Her charm leaves me weak," to sheer laughter, "Macy Gray is a wild girl, but I can relate." While the audience was left to ponder her choices, it's clear that Macy Gray isn't one to shy away from being true to herself. Her journey on Surreal Life is not just about revelation, it's also about embracing the unexpected and letting her fans see the complexities of her real-life wellness routine. The show, filled with laughter, drama, and self-discovery, continues to unravel with each episode, reminding us all that within each of us lies a story filled with both normalcy and the unconventional. And so if you thought you knew what to expect from a MTV reality show, think again, as Macy Gray adds a dash of spicy truth to the mix. Your favorite character in this unconventional fairy tale. With that said, thanks for joining me on this unexpected roller coaster. Until the next episode, let's dwell on the enthralling art of being unapologetically human and the reality TV being relevant in one body heads.